What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's all about shoes. In fact, we have over here the 50th year anniversary Manila edition of the Adidas Superstar. So if you are a Three Stripes fan, you love the Superstar silhouette, you are Filipino, this is the shoe to get. Let's go. Speaking of awesome shoes, don't forget that we are giving away a brand new pair of Saucony Azuras in your size. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of our mechanics. Good luck! Okay, so I bought this sneaker from Sports Central over at the Podium. So Sports Central is like a sneaker slash sports apparel shop, and they're the only ones who have the shoe here in the Philippines. So this, again, like what I mentioned in the intro, it's the special edition Adidas Superstar. Adidas has been putting a lot of effort on the Superstar with collaborations with Quicks. They did like the Girls Are Awesome thing and a bunch more of other superstars in the past few months. Let's get to the shoe. So you have the Three Stripes box, you have the details of the sneaker, and I'm just so excited to show you guys what this shoe looks like. Ba-bam! Huh! You're probably thinking, Carlo, that's just a normal leather Adidas Superstar. If you take a look at the lateral and the medial side, that's definitely true. The magic is what you see at the back. And for me, Adidas keeping it simple, keeping it a classic looking Adidas Superstar with the white leather upper, the black stripes, the gold label of Superstar along the lateral side, and then that gorgeous Manila writing at the back of the shoe just makes it even more awesome. Sometimes being subtle and being minimalistic and still trying to stay true to the iconic design of an iconic sneaker is the best route that you can take. And I really believe that they did an amazing job with this one. So let me just go over some of the small details that I love. Now, obviously, this is like the highlight. You have Manila, and this is actually Velcro. So you can keep it like as is, which says Manila, or you can use these extra Velcro straps which say MNL. My take is you put Manila over here and then you put MNL on the other pair. Another small detail that I really love is how they made this over here. So at the top of the heel, it's kind of like those pins that you put on Google Maps and Waze. So it signifies that you are in Manila, which is a brilliant, small little detail that I really appreciate. This kind of made me wonder, maybe in different countries you have straps like this. So maybe in Japan it's Tokyo or something. It'll be interesting to see how they actually implemented this across different countries. And maybe you can actually collect and buy depending on which country that you're in. But yeah, that's just a random thought. Now, apart from that, if you take a look at the insole, it actually says over there that this is the 50th anniversary pair. And all of those small details combined for me makes it an amazing shoe. Now, what even makes it more awesome is the fact that it won't break the back. This particular special edition of the Adidas Superstar sells for just 4,800 pesos, available again at Sports Central. They still had a good size run over at the Podium shop, but if ever you will make that trip, if ever you want to take that risk, please do remember that you should wear face masks. They will not let you in if you don't wear a face shield with that face mask. And as much as possible, every time you touch something, spray your hands with alcohol. And of course, practice social distancing. If ever you will take that risk, it's good that you are protected. Now, I won't go through the effort of explaining how the Superstar works on feet. It's a white leather shoe. It's not the most comfortable sneaker that you can buy, but it's still good for an everyday white leather shoe beater. Wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing this nice Seiko Apocalypse or Captain Willard 2020 edition. Really gorgeous on the wrist, very bold and strong presentation. If you guys want to learn more about watches, please do check out my new dedicated watch channel. I did a review of this one. I did a review of the G-Shock Casio, and as a special treat, the video of my unboxing of this watch, the G-Shock one-piece watch, limited edition, is already up on that channel as well. So if you want to learn more about this amazing piece, make sure that you check out my watch channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I am thinking of doing more giveaways on that channel as well. So if you're a watch fan, the link to my watch channel can be found down below. As you guys probably know, I have a lot of Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops. So I collect the Dragon Ball line, and a new batch arrived today. So I will just unbox them with you. We'll take a closer look, and then we will end the vlog. So first up, we have this really nice Vegeta in some sort of like blue polo, khaki pants, and nice looking, looks like superstars that he's wearing. But yeah, so that's the first Funko Pop. Next, we have one of the newer Super Saiyans that came out in the recent Dragon Ball Super. I can't pronounce her name. Caulifla, something like that. And then we have her partner, the other Super Saiyan that came out that she eventually fused with, Kale. So kind of looks like a Lady Broly. And then we also have, who's this? Future Mai. I don't have this figure yet, so happy to add this. And we have, in the Philippines, we call him Mr. Pogi. Here it says Hercule or Mr. Satan or whatever you want to call this guy. But yeah, that's the next Funko Pop. I also have one here that we're sending to my friend, or to our friend, me and my wife. So I don't know why we bought this particular Funko Pop, but we're sending it over to him, Ursula from The Little Mermaid. So yeah, those are the new Funko Pops. I will put them in their cases, set them up in my Funko wall, and we'll call it a day. Okay, and with that said, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I hope that you all had a great week, and well, I think you will all enjoy the additional day that we have for the extended weekend. Take this time to rest actively. Take this time to really reflect and just be at peace and just enjoy the company of the people around you, and just let that rest go beyond your body and seep inside your mind, your heart, and your soul. Guys, this is Carlo signing out, and as usual, Matt, my hair is messy. I need a haircut. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.